How many of you ready for the game? Say I. Welcome to game time. The name of the game is nail puzzle. What is the name of the game? The objective of the game is very simple. You have to separate both the nails. The rules of the games are you should not bend the nails, you should not break the nail, you cannot use any kind of power or force to separate the nails. Once the puzzle is solved, you have to show step-by-step process as there are 3 steps. Then only you will get 500 points. How many points? 500 points. Are you ready? Yes. I will be giving you 2 minutes. After you separate it, it will look like this. Are you ready? Yes. And your time starts now. Okay, since you have asked with lots of love, I will give you the clue. The clue is
observe. Observe from the first step.
Hold, cross and twist. Two, one, and time.
Thank you so much for your participation. What did we learn here? Listen to the clues. Very nice. Wonderful. Today we are going to do communication. Listening is also very important. We have something to listen also. What else? Very nice. Success has got steps. Success is not a luck. It is not a sneaker. It is a steps. Yes. Very nice. Smart work. Please, many things like this in the life are difficult. But actually it is very simple, very easy. Yes? What else? Observe, follow the steps, very nice. What else? Patience, nice. Twist. T for twist. T for training. T for turning point. Are you ready? And finally, T for transformation. Are you ready for transformation?
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.